Welcome learners and math lovers in the series of videos on topology. We have completed compact spaces and let's move further, and now we will look out about countability properties of topological spaces. So let's move ahead. Countability properties. There is first countable, second countable, at countability properties. So we'll try to cover as far as possible. Let us first define what is first countable space. Okay, let's define first countable space. First countable space. Okay, that is right. Let X be a topological space first. So a topological space X topological space X is said to be first countable at a point, say at some point X in X, if something happens, and that is if there exists right? If there exists a countable collection. This is important, it has to be countable collection. Okay, countable collection, let us write that to be UN, n belongs to natural number. So of course you can show that this is a countable set. Okay, so countable collection UN, n belongs to natural number of neighborhoods of X such that every neighborhood say U of X contains, let me first write it, contains an element of the collection. Okay, so a topological space X had to be first countable at some point X if there exists a countable collection of neighborhoods of X such that if you take any other neighborhood of X, it will contain one neighborhood from here. Okay, and this topological space X is called, or is said to be, first countable at a countable space. X is said to be first countable space if X is first countable at every point. So if X is first countable at every point, we say that X is first countable. And here what we have, this basis is called the neighborhood basis of X. Okay, the basis, this collection, say the collection of neighborhoods, say UN, n belongs to natural number, is said to be neighborhood basis of X. Okay, so these are all are the neighborhoods of X and all are open. So these are called basic neighborhood of X. neighborhood basis for x. This need not be the basic neighborhoods. Okay, the basis you have something different. Okay, let's go for some examples. Let me first again recall. It's first countable at x if you can find the collection of the neighborhoods of x such that if you take any other neighborhood, it will contain a one point from here. Okay, and points of here are nothing but the open sets. Let's go for the example. First, in a first example, you take a discrete space. Okay, so you take a discrete topology. Discrete topological. We'll stop here. Let's see the next.